Kia ora tātou, ko Yvonne Taura tōki ingoa, he iri tēnei ngō Ngāti Ranginui, Ngāti Tūwharitua o ki iwi. My role as a Kaihangarau Maori enables me to work alongside whānau or hapu iwi from all over the country. More recently, I've been involved in the creation of the Cultural Wetland Handbook series, Te Reo o Te Repo, The Voice of the Wetland. Wetlands are wet and sometimes dry areas between land and water. They are the kidneys of Mother Earth, ngā whatukuhu o papatuanuku, acting like a sponge or filter across the whenua. They cleanse the water of pollutant overload or control floodwaters. So without fully functioning wetlands, we would have poor water quality and experience rapid flooding events. And some advice I can share as a woman in science is to follow a career path that lights you up, and also to make sure that you have mentors from your kura or your whānau to support you. So kia pai tō haere, mā te wā.